So, well, welcome everyone. This is another week, another new topic about contributing to WordPress. And this week, today, we are going to talk about contributes in WordPress marketing team or in the team of marketing. So there are number of make teams in WordPress. Among them, marketing team is one of the team. So today we are going to listen about what is marketing team, how we can contribute to the marketing team. And this webinar will also be helpful for those who are planning to attend Contributors Day in WordCamp and want to contribute in the team marketing. Today we have Robin from WPDeveloper from Dhaka, Bangladesh joining us today here. I'd like to hand over this floor to Robin. Robin, please introduce yourself first, and then you can share what marketing team, how you can contribute in the marketing. And after his presentation, at the end, we'll have open discussion, and then we can ask questions to him, or you can share anything about the marketing contribution to WordPress. Till then, please keep yourself muted and only listen, Robin. Thank you. Robin, the floor is yours.
Thanks. Thank you. I am Nazmul Hassan Robin. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh, currently working as a senior WordPress developer in WPDeveloper. I am also one of the team reps for WordPress Make marketing team. Okay. Let me share my screen first. I think we can see my screen. So I was also one of the release lead for WordPress 6.2. So first of all, okay, one thing I want to share. If you Google WP team reps, then you can find this link, team reps. And here you can see all the team representatives of WordPress Make WordPress team. Currently, there are 20 plus teams for Make WordPress team. Okay, if you don't know, if you are confused between WordPress.org and WordPress.com, I was also confused about this. Just let me show you. So first of all, WordPress.com is a service by Automatic, and that is not free, that is not open source. Open source is WordPress.org. So this is the open source WordPress CMS, and the whole team who works for WordPress.org, everything is managed under make.wordpress.org. That's how we say I make WordPress. There is a logo or something. Okay, this site is for all the teams who make WordPress.org. You can see there are all teams are listed here. One of the teams is marketing team. So if you are in, you can go to any team, any page, then you can get details of their team. For example, if you come to the marketing team, at the top you will see some descriptions for all teams, where you can learn how to contribute to that team. So here we added a link. If you read this page, then you can learn something about contribution, how you can get started with the contribution to this team. So that's how you can learn about all teams and how you can get started. Okay. So you just, this one for core team, you can also see there are lots of links, and you can just read those links and you can get started. Okay. So now this is the page. Okay. First of all, do a light reading this page. You will get some idea what marketing team does, how to do contributions for this team. Now everything is managed in Slack. WordPress manages everything in Slack. and every team has meetings, weekly meetings for related to that team, and everyone gathers weekly and discuss various things on that meeting. We also have weekly meeting, and we manage this meeting in our channel. This is the channel marketing. If you search marketing, then you will get our channel. And if you're not in Slack yet, I guess you can join by, you need a account for this. This is the makewordpress.org. You need an account. You can simply register or log in. Then you will have a account like this, right? You will have a account, WordPress.org account like this. And you need to, if you don't, here you can see this is my WordPress.org username, and this is my Slack. If you don't have Slack, you need to, you can sign up for Slack like this. If you go to this profiles.wordpress, sorry, this not this one, make.wordpress.org/chat. In this page, you will get all the informations regarding Slack joining. Slack, you can join Slack by using your WordPress.org username. I mean, okay, you can read this page and you can easily log in Slack. This is the first thing. You need to come to the Slack first. Then you can search and join this marketing channel. Okay. Now we have weekly meeting every Tuesday, 1500 UTC. That's 9 p.m. in Bangladesh and 8:45 in Nepal. Okay. And for marketing team, we have a GitHub repo. We manage a GitHub repository where we list all the issues here. So basically we work on based on issues, right? There are 97 open issues. We can work on these issues. Okay. Let me show you the meeting format, how we manage this meeting and what's happening here. You can see there was a meeting yesterday. This is the meeting, right? And in our meeting, we share lots of links, mostly major issue links. You can see 97 issues. We share most important tickets in our meeting. First of all, what you can do, just join our meeting. Then we have an attendance thread. Just reply your WordPress.org username here so that we can count your contribution. And we also have a section where we have a section named social questions. If for the first timers, everyone is confused what to say, what not to say. So that's why we manage this section. We do a simple question and very easy question to just get started with general conversation. You can see we do non-marketing questions, so everyone is welcome and contribute in our discussions and get know each other. That's how we get started. So this is the very first thing. Do join our social questions and participate. Then we share some links. If you see our main, this link, you can find this link. This is the GitHub repository. So you don't need to memorize this one. You can easily get the link from our meeting. Here is the link. Okay, so there is another link, marketing group. Okay, so from our meeting you can get our GitHub repository link, right? Mainly the link is WordPress/marketing-team. This is our issues. Okay, if you go to our issues, there are levels, right? This is the levels. Meeting preparations mean this ticket is maintained for the meeting only. For every week meeting, we have a GitHub issue and we do every conversation here. if you're interested to share something, or if you want to add something in our agenda, you can simply comment here, right? For example, if you want to if you want to add agenda for, like, you want to share that what came Nepal is, what came Kathmandu is next week, so you can simply write that you want to highlight this thing in our meeting. Just add your note here. We will share we'll share that in our meeting. Everyone will know that what is happening, everything. So just add anything here, join our discussions, ask anything, whatever you want, we will reply, and if needed, we will add that topic in our meeting agenda. This is the first thing. We manage everything here in the meeting prep. This is the level, right? Meeting preparation, and we have a ticket for every week. This is the first thing. Next, for the team leads, we have links for WordCamp Europe and WordCamp US. We can share those docs to you so that you can prepare. I guess you just simply ask here in this group, and we will share the links. You just say that you are leading WordCamp Kathmandu, and we can share those links to you. First thing. Then another thing is, we have some interesting issues here, like we encourage people to share WordPress photos to our photos team. We help enriching our WordPress photos directory. This is, I guess, photos, right? So you can say everyone to take some interesting photos, then help them submit those photos in the photo directory. That's how we can enrich our photo directory. This is the photo directory. There is a process of how to upload. So you can check this ticket as well, this issue. You can encourage everyone to participate using photos, taking photos and submitting to photo directory. There are other things as well. So first of all, you can just simply ask here that how do we have any links or docs which can be shared, so we can share those docs. Then you can ask in the thread. You can ask any questions in the thread as well.
Robin, your screen is off. Can you share your screen again?
Oh, sorry. I guess I thought it was shared. Okay. What I shared is, I guess, this one. There is a ticket. This one, WP Photo Social Content Contribution Guide. So you can help our photo directory. You can enrich our photo directory. Just encourage everyone to take photos and submit in our photo directory. I guess even you can check this issue, or we can share this one in thread as well. This one is 239, right? We worked on this issue in WordCamp Asia as well. Lots of photos were submitted in that day. Okay, so first of all, we can share docs for WordCamp Europe and WordCamp US with you, so that you can learn if anything needed. And first of all, you just ask everyone to join our Slack and say them how to participate in the meeting, right? If people are confused at the first time, they don't know what to say or what to write, just simply say that they can participate or ask any questions in the open floor. That's the thing. And do share their WordG username in our attendance, so that we can count their contributions too. Okay. Any questions? Any more questions? By the way, two of you.
So the basic thing to start contributing to marketing team is to encourage the WordCamp attendees or WordPress lovers to join Slack.
Yeah.
And the another thing is that show them the GitHub repository with a list of issue, and ask them if they can add some input on those particular topic, right?
Yeah. There are good first issues they can follow.
And like marketing, the term marketing, it's self-descriptive. So I think the marketing, the contribution in the marketing team is just talk about WordPress, like talk about people, talk about WordPress with different people, ask them to create profile in WordPress.org. Maybe that is also another part of contribution. Ask them to attend WordCamps. So I think that is also good things. And also share about the WordCamps, the meetups that is happening in the
main thing is promoting WordPress.
yeah,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
Sharing how they can love WordPress and how WordPress can help them, and informing them there are lots of teams they can join, they can help all teams. That's
Sure,
the
thank
main
you.
thing. Yeah.
So I think marketing team also create a separate issue for particular WordCamps, right? So like I think marketing team table leads for WordCamp Kathmandu are also joining today. So can we create a separate issue for WordCamp Kathmandu where they can work on that particular day, so that they can started checking on those issues, they can started learning on that, because they are also doing this for the first time, and it will be helpful for them as well.
Yeah. I can create one issue for what can Kathmandu, and we can follow that issue for
Okay.
everything.
Yeah, sounds good. It's like if you create the issue, then like I can also add some input in it, and those who are going to lead that table, they are also able to check it and contribute on it, and based on that issue, GitHub issue, they can install the contributor attendees for the marketing team.
Yeah, I will create an issue for, so that everyone can see what to do.
Yeah, sounds good.
Right. We had one issue created for WordCamp Select. So Falguni and I could easily do it. Actually, it was also my first time. Although Falguni had done it before, I guess she was a participant of the marketing table in WordCamp Asia, I guess.
Yeah.
Were you the lead, Robin, there, table lead?
No, I was busy with test table. I was that time WordPress test lead for 6.2, and they took me there.
Oh, okay.
And there were
I was
50
thinking
participants.
just a while ago that your role, your current job, the full-time job is development, and you are a team representative of marketing. So I was wondering how you could do these two completely different things. Actually, yeah, one can do marketing, but anyway, so I thought you could be in other teams too. So why marketing? I was wondering that.
I mostly contribute in core, WordPress core.
Yeah.
For consecutive 2 times, I guess I did 20 plus contributions in WordPress core. And that
Wow.
was busy time. And you can see most of the contributors do 1 or 2 contributions. I
Yeah.
did a lot. It was pretty time consuming. I was pretty busy that time.
Mm-mm.
Now I have kid, and I barely get time for contributions, but still I am trying.
Yeah. Yeah, you are also a representative for marketing team. So yeah, that's wonderful.
Yeah, we are doing meetings, weekly meetings, encouraging everyone. And main thing is there is a meeting ongoing, and everyone can ask anything on that meeting. As
Yeah,
you know,
right.
every marketers will be there, right? So you can ask anything, you can gain experience from them. There are top marketers in that meeting. From automatic, everyone is joining there. So you can ask anything, you can share knowledge. That's how you do contributions.
Yeah, oh, that's great. Okay, so I was also wondering about I think I will be on People of WordPress post, I guess. I wanted to know the process, so maybe our contributors can maybe work on that. Maybe they can help with that, because they can talk with me if they need anything, or maybe can I myself contribute on that, or how does that process work? Is it taken from Hero Praise?
I guess it is maintained by Nalini. She was former team reps for the
Okay.
last year, Nalini and Ava is her daughter, I guess. Ava is also WordPress core team rep.
Okay.
So there is, I guess, we have an issue for that as well.
Yeah, I
Uh,
had seen that.
People of WordPress. So mainly I guess they will communicate with you, then they will ask for some content and photos. Then contributors can also translate that articles. So it's a long going process, I guess, at least 2 months it will take. Then it will be published.
Okay. So will it be a new content? I thought it would be a copy of HeroPress essay.
There are some, of course, the content won't be same. It will be different. They will ask few
Okay.
questions from you,
Uh-uh.
like this. Meher also work on this.
Uh-uh.
So I guess mainly they will ask some. Mainly they will concentrate on you, how you contribute,
Uh-uh.
how you get started with WordPress. There are some questions. There will be some questions.
Oh, right.
I guess it is ongoing process.
Uh-uh.
I'm not sure for which month, but there are tickets, right?
Yeah. I think it was for the end of September, I guess.
Yeah.
I'd seen that previous meeting, Sired had mentioned me in that trade, so I'd seen that.
It's almost here. Okay. So mainly, if anyone interested on any topic, they can simply comment in that ticket, in that issue, and others related person can help or guide on how to complete those issues.
Yeah. All right. So if you create a ticket an issue for WordCamp Kathmandu, I think that would be very helpful. And I think they can easily take it from there. And I will also help them with whatever I have learned from WordCamp Silet. So I think that will be easy. It will be easy for them.
Yeah, you can also comment there. See if you have any resource, you can comment there. I will assign you as well. And one more thing, marketing is also knowledge sharing. So if you have any ideas on make WordPress.org, you can share those things. For example, Jenny from Docs team, she shared like we can do 20 days blog posting. So that's how it started. We did WP20 from blogs to blogs.
Yeah.
That was her idea. Then we did the whole campaign. Whole campaign was pretty good. So if you have anything, any idea, you can share in our channel. Then we can proceed if possible.
Okay, cool. So if I have an idea, maybe I should share that in that open floor, right?
Yeah, you can share any idea that promote WordPress or Gutenberg. You can simply share anything. Like just we did 20 days blog posting. Everyone was so engaged in that campaign. It was really successful campaign.
Yeah. Really. It was great.
Okay, I will share the issue link in the channel. Then we can do commenting in as thread.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's summarize it till now. So the table list for marketing team can ask the attendees to register for WordPress.org. They can create the account in WordPress.org, ask them to create account for make WordPress Slack. And after that, you can also share them the GitHub issue that they can work or they can contribute. Also, you can ask them like if there any better idea that they can contribute to WordPress or that helps WordPress grow better, like any campaign idea or anything. You can ask them, and you can ask them to create the issue and share it, or ask them to join the marketing channel and share it. So that is the thing. I think that is the best thing to start contributing in marketing team.
Yeah. Also take photos and submit photo directory.
Yeah,
That's the one.
Okay.